Hello guys, let me share with all of you a piece of information that I use every day, which is screenshots of the whole screen, screenshots of the piece of the screen. So basically, what is the way to use the screenshot feature like the snipping tool in Windows, but in a Linux desktop. So let me share with you guys, because I use this every day and I find it hella useful. So 4 things I want to share with you guys. So let's start with hitting the print screen key. It will just immediately print the screen and put it in a pictures folder. So it will screenshot your screen, create a file, and put it in your pictures folder. You're done. Happy. Let's go. Next one is shift print screen. With the shift print screen, you are allowed to select a piece of the screen, and it basically creates a file here with that piece. You just select it. Okay, so shift print screen, you select and creates a file for you. Pretty great. Okay, next one is control shift print screen. Same thing, you select, but nothing is created because now it's on your clipboard. So for example, you can go to GIMP and just paste that here, and you have here your image that you can just use whatever you like. You can paste this to GIMP, you can paste this to WhatsApp, whatever the case, Discord. It's just here. Okay, one last one. So here I have 2 windows. You have the Nemo window in front of GIMP. So if you do Alt print screen, it will just screenshot the most forward window. So you have 2 windows. It will screenshot the one it's more forward to you, and you have there the screenshot. So in summary, print screen whole screen to disk, shift print screen select to disk, control shift print screen select to clipboard, and last but not least, alt print screen screenshots the most forward window that you have here on your desktop. So I use this every single day. I always using this. This is very useful for most of us who can use this for creating files, pasting to your Discord or WhatsApp. This is very useful. I constantly use this on my work days, content creating days, whatever days. I hope you find this useful. I hope you find this that will just make your life a little bit easier when you want to use screen grabs. Like, subscribe and comment, it really helps, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.